to voltage level high or low. Digital like pin number of pin number comma high or low. Pin number is Arduino pin number. It will be any pin number of digital and high or low. It will be voltage level high or low. Then blinking and LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. It has two legs. Longer leg is anode and shorter leg is cathode. This is a program with electronics and DS circuit design. Connection of Arduino Uno with LED. This is Arduino Uno. The digital pin is 0 to 13. This is 14 digital pin. So you can select any digital pin. I am using 9 digital pin, and ground pin is connected to Arduino Uno ground pin. You can do online support.
Help everybody. Just what I understood. Because I am a layman in this. Say, what is needed is to operate the software. You need a device. Here the device is the laptop. Then measure the data or measure the things